Did you know that pineapples can take up to 3 years to grow? That's right. This tropical fruit takes its sweet time before it's ready to be enjoyed. Pineapple, the ultimate symbol of hospitality, warmth, and a touch of exoticism. But beneath its tough exterior lies a world of fascinating secrets, stories, and surprises just waiting to be uncovered. Get ready to embark on a thrilling adventure as we peel back the layers and dive into the uncharted territory of pineapple secrets. From its mysterious origins to its incredible health benefits, we're about to explore the most unexpected and mouthwatering facts that will make you love this fruit even more. Pineapples are a superfood, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes that can boost your immune system and fight off inflammation. Plus, they're ridiculously versatile. You can grill them, blend them, or even use them as a natural remedy for digestive issues. But what really sets them apart is their unique growing conditions. Did you know that pineapples can thrive in poor soil and survive with minimal rainfall? That's right. This tough cookie can persevere in environments where other fruits would struggle to survive. In Hawaii, pineapple plantations are a big deal, with millions of pineapples harvested every year. And the best part? The workers who harvest them get to enjoy a sweet bonus. The leftover pineapple leaves are used to create a natural pesticide that keeps the plantation healthy and pest-free. It's a win-win for everyone. But here's the thing, pineapples aren't just a tasty addition to your cocktail or smoothie. They're also an incredible symbol of friendship, hospitality, and warmth. In the 17th century, pineapples were a rare and expensive luxury, reserved only for royalty and the elite. So, when a host presented a pineapple as a centerpiece, it was a sign of ultimate respect and welcoming. Myths and misconceptions about pineapples are as old as the fruit itself. Some people believe that you can grow a pineapple plant by twisting the leafy top off a fresh pineapple and planting it in soil. Sorry, folks, it doesn't work that way. In reality, pineapple plantations use a careful process of hand pollination and pruning to cultivate these delicious fruits. But there's one secret that will blow your mind, and we're saving the best for last. Are you ready for this? Pineapples aren't even a single fruit. That's right. What we call a pineapple is actually a collection of tiny, individual fruits that merge to form a single, edible entity. It's like a botanical superhero, uniting its individual strengths to create something truly amazing. This pineapple secret has major implications for our understanding of fruit production, biology, and even the environment. It challenges our conventional wisdom about how fruits grow and develop, and opens up new avenues for research and innovation. And yet, it's a secret that's been hiding in plain sight, waiting for us to discover its incredible power. So, what can we learn from the incredible world of pineapple secrets? For one, we're reminded that even the most familiar things can hold hidden surprises and unexpected wonders. We're encouraged to look beyond the surface, to explore, and to discover the magic that lies just beneath. And we're inspired to appreciate the intricate beauty of the natural world in all its sweet and tangy glory. Thanks for joining me on this epic journey into the world of pineapple secrets. What's your favorite pineapple fact? Share it with us in the comments below. And if you're as obsessed with tropical fruits as I am, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be exploring the fascinating world of dragon fruits.